For SpeedyScaf, Layher has designed a new and system-integrated advancing guardrail system, the I-Guardrail. More possibilities and more safety. The I-Guardrail from Layher. I for integrated. The lightweight single-part frame is designed to allow assembly and dismantling always from a secured level. Very light and bolt-free in a single operation and by a single person. It fits into the system and can be attached both as an outer and an inner guardrail. The I-Guardrail, the intelligent and innovative response to tougher safety requirements. And its special feature, the entire existing scaffolding can remain in use without any restrictions. Fitting is intuitive. The I-Guardrail is simply attached with one side at the top to the U-section of the assembly frame. Then it's swung up and attached to the other assembly frame. And that's all. The advancing two-part side protection for the next level is now complete. Once the deck has been laid, the level can be accessed without any risk. When the assembly frame is set up, the guardrail wedge housings fit accurately into the fittings of the I-Guardrail and ensure it's fixed in place. This ensures that loads from all directions are absorbed. Also, subsequent removal and alteration by the scaffolding user is not possible, and that improves safety during use of the scaffolding. Matching pallet and transport systems are available for transport and storage. The I-Guardrail from Layher. Consisting of just a single component, it permits safer, easier and faster assembly. The I-Guardrail from Layher. The innovative solution for very tough safety regulations. Layher, more possibilities and more safety.